Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create food delivery promo code using custom shapes. Start with a soft yellow background, then add a rounded rectangle for the main code. Insert a circle behind the food image area of the focus. Then add triangle shapes as greenish accents. Place curved shape behind the text for travel style design. Insert a badge shape for limited time offer. Then add a small bike icon shape for delivery symbol. Now insert a bottom bar shape for your CTA. Then add line shape to divide pricing and description. Now add shadows to make food picture pop. Use dotted shapes for